What is liquidity? Liquidity is a financial term that describes how quickly and easily you can turn something you own into cash without losing much of its value. In simple words, liquidity means how fast you can get cash when you need it. The easier it is to sell an asset for cash, the higher its liquidity. The longer it takes to sell an asset, the lower its liquidity. Why is liquidity important? Imagine your car suddenly breaks down and the repair costs $2,000. Or you receive an unexpected medical bill for $5,000. You need money right away. If you already have enough cash in your bank account, you can pay the bill immediately. But if all your money is invested in things that take time to sell, getting the cash may not be easy. That is why liquidity is important. It helps you handle emergencies and everyday expenses. How does liquidity work? Let's look at a simple example. Suppose you have $10,000 in your checking account. If you need $1,000 today, you can withdraw it immediately. This means your money has high liquidity. Now imagine your $10,000 is invested in a piece of land. Before you can get cash, you must find a buyer, agree on a selling price, complete the paperwork, wait for the payment. This process could take weeks or even months. That means land has low liquidity. Examples of high liquidity: some assets are very easy to turn into cash. These include cash, money in your checking or savings account, stocks of large companies. For example, suppose you own $5,000 worth of shares in a popular company. If you sell those shares today, you may receive the money within a short time. That is why stocks are generally considered highly liquid. Examples of low liquidity: some assets take much longer to sell. These include houses, land, rare paintings, classic cars. For example, you own a house worth $400,000. Even if someone wants to buy it, the sale may take several weeks or even months. That is why real estate has lower liquidity than cash. Real-life example. Let's compare two friends. Sarah has $50,000 in her savings account. Michael owns a boat worth $50,000. One day, both need $10,000 for an emergency. Sarah transfers the money from her bank account in a few minutes. Michael must first find someone willing to buy his boat. That could take days, weeks, or even months. Even though both own assets worth the same amount, Sarah's money has much higher liquidity. Why do businesses care about liquidity? Businesses also need cash every day. They use it to pay employees, office rent, utility bills, suppliers, taxes. A company may own expensive buildings and equipment worth millions of dollars. But if it doesn't have enough cash available, it may struggle to pay its bills. This is why businesses carefully manage their liquidity. Liquidity in investing. Investors also think about liquidity before investing. Some investments are easy to buy and sell. Others can take a long time to convert into cash. Many investors keep part of their money in liquid assets so they can cover emergencies without selling long-term investments. Example sentences. Cash has the highest liquidity. Stocks usually have higher liquidity than real estate. Investors consider liquidity before making financial decisions. Related terms. Some related terms include cash, assets, investment, stock market, real estate, checking account, savings account, emergency fund. In simple terms, liquidity means how quickly and easily you can turn an asset into cash. The faster you can get cash without losing much value, the higher the liquidity. Easy way to remember: liquidity equals how fast you can get cash. Cash equals high liquidity. House equals low liquidity.